Hello, children. I hope you all are safe and fine at your home. Take care of yourselves. So, today we will study about care and protection of animals. Animals are very useful to us. They serve us in many ways, like they give us food, wool, leather, fur, and many other things. So, it is essential to take care of animals properly. For this, we must provide care and protection to animals. The place where pets are kept should be cleaned daily. Clean containers should be used to provide food and water for them. Cows are kept in sheds and horses are kept in stables. Sheds and stables of sufficient size should be made and should be cleaned daily. Whenever an animal gets sick, it needs medical treatment immediately. For this, the hospital where animals are given treatment are called veterinary hospitals, and the hospitals where and in these hospitals special doctors are there who treat animals, and these doctors are called veterinary doctors. Some domestic animals are there that we kept at our home. Domestic animals should be given good quality of food at regular and fixed time. This will keep them healthy and free from diseases. They should be provided clean water to drink. Domestic animals should be looked after with great care. The skin, eyes, and ears of dogs should be cleaned of ticks regularly. Cows, buffaloes, and dogs should be given a regular bath. Horses need to be groomed and their hooves paid. Then, care of wild animals. Animals that live in jungles and cannot be domesticated are called wild animals. For example, tiger, lion, snake, deer, etc. The skin of animals like tiger, cheetah, deer, and snake is very valuable. The tusk of elephant is also very valuable. These animals are killed for fun and food. Humans have killed these wild animals for many years, so their number is decreasing very fast. This is also due to the destruction of jungles to build cities and industries, as our population is increasing day by day. So there is a great need to protect these wild animals, otherwise we will lose them forever. Our government is also trying to preserve the wild animals. Killing of many of these animals is banned. Any person found killing these protected animals is punished by the government authorities. This is called conservation and protection of wildlife. So, to protect our wildlife, many national parks and wildlife sanctuaries have been set up in India to house these animals. First, Jim Corbett National Park in Uttaranchal for the conservation and protection of tigers. Kanha National Park in MP for the conservation and protection of tigers. Hazaribagh National Park in Jharkhand for tigers and crocodiles. Kaziranga National Park in Assam for conservation of rhino. In India, only in the Kaziranga National Park rhinoceros are present. Bandipur National Park in Karnataka for elephant. Bird Sanctuary in Bharatpur, Rajasthan for birds. Madumalai National Park in Tamil Nadu for elephants. Prayar National Park in Kerala for elephants. Gir Forest in Gujarat for protection of lions. Sarika in Rajasthan for the protection and conservation of tiger. So these are some national park and wildlife sanctuaries. You have to find out other wildlife sanctuaries and national park for the conservation of other animals. So that's it for today.